morning. Yeah. Abheshek, so could you please briefly introduce yourself?
Yes. So hello everyone. I am Abheshek Mehta from Jharkhand, Hazaribagh. I study in DV Public School, Hazaribagh. I am currently in class 11 and in the VVM 2021 I represented class 10 and was a zonal winner, rank 3 in East Zone.
And right now we are undergoing SRIJAN Internship program, right?
Yes.
So could you briefly share your experience about the SRIJAN Internship program? Before that, could you please share your journey experience about BVM?
Yes. So I would like to tell you all about VVM. VVM is not an ordinary exam or ordinary Olympiad that we face through our schools like any other Olympiad. It gives you exposure to many things, many different things. You get the opportunity to learn experimental skills. It checks your leadership quality, your creativity, your group interaction, group activity, and many other aspects. It gives you exposure to various things, various institutes. Like currently, we are going through SRIJAN internship and going through lots of exposure. Lots of scientists we are meeting, lots of institutes we are visiting, lots of different instruments that we hear in our through different seniors or teachers or any social media platforms we see. We are now seeing them live, real. So it looks very amazing and it's a awesome experience to go through the SRIJAN internship. And VVM is the only exam currently in India that gives you this much exposure to the institutes of India or any other eminent personalities of India.
That you mean to say that you are getting more practical exposure?
Yes.
And how you are experiencing, like how about your experience of undergoing this internship program?
Experience can't be expressed in the words. It's we can only feel that the feeling that we are facing, that this is the 5th day and we think that it passed very soon, very fastly.
Like we can go another 3 to more days.
Yes,
we can go like that. The feeling we can undergo another 3 to 4 days. We can extend this program
लगता है कि बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो गया. We can have one more week or something like that.
So what about your experience when you are interacting with scientists and like a lot of professors and scientists came from different prestigious institutes and they have interacted with you. So how was the experience and what the feeling come into your mind?
So it is very awesome experience to interact with the scientists. They are the brilliant minds of our country and we get many things to learn. We are open-minded. We are very shrink in thinking, like only for engineering or medical. But there are many aspects in all around the world that can be that we never get the exposure. That's the system, or we can't. Not everyone can get that. So interacting with scientists, I also feel that I can do something more rather than engineering or medical or any aspect. We can do discoveries, inventions, innovations to be more creative.
The opinion we got is like we want to contribute to our mother nation, right?
But we are not getting that exposure in the schools or in our home city. And joining VVM or getting this opportunity, that is very beneficial.
So what the message you want to convey to your
I would say that every one of you should participate in this. It's not that if you won or lose, that doesn't matter. If you get the exposure, you face the competition, that's also a very good experience. That's we always learn from our losses. No matter we win or lose, we can also lose, win also, get first rank also, doesn't even select in first level also, but you should participate in this VVM exam.
So participation is much important.
Yes, we should participate. Winning does not matter, participation matters much.
Yeah, thank you Abhishek. Thank you for interaction.